If you're using public Wi-Fi without a VPN, yeah, your personal data is basically up for grabs. And while most VPNs slow your internet to a crawl, I found one that's crazy fast, works on every device I own, and even blocks ads and malware without needing extra software. So whether you're on Windows, Mac, Android, or want to protect your entire router, I'm about to show you exactly how to use NordVPN like a pro in 2025. And by the way, there's a deal right now that gets you 74% off plus 3 free months. I'll drop the link in the description, or you can scan the QR code on the screen right now. So before we dive into setup, here's a quick rundown on why NordVPN's worth checking out in the first place. It's fast, no bandwidth limits, no speed caps, you can connect up to 10 devices, and it works on everything: Windows, Mac OS, iOS, Android, even routers and smart TVs. It also blocks ads, trackers, and malware, and with over 8,100 servers in 126 locations, you got plenty of options for streaming, privacy, or just browsing safely. All right, let's talk about how to actually use it. On Windows, setup is super simple. Go to NordVPN's website, download the app, and install it like any other program. When you open it, you'll log in through your browser for added security, totally normal. Once you're in, you'll see a big Quick Connect button. That'll automatically connect you to the best server nearby. Prefer to choose your location manually? Use a server list or click directly on the map. It's that easy. And yeah, there's a kill switch, split tunneling, and threat protection all built in. Just hit the settings gear in the corner to explore those. On Mac, you've got two options: download from the App Store or directly from NordVPN's site. I recommend the website version. It gives you the full feature set, including better malware protection. Interface is basically the same. Quick connect, map, server list, it's all there. One cool extra on Mac, you can set presets. So you can create a one-click shortcut that connects you to a specific server and opens your favorite website at any time. Super handy for streaming. Mobile devices, even easier. Download NordVPN from the App Store or Google Play. Log in, tap Quick Connect, and you're protected. You can also choose a country manually if you need to switch locations. On Android, you get split tunneling and local network discovery. iOS is a bit more locked down, but you can still use Siri shortcuts to connect with your voice, which is pretty slick. Oh, and if you don't want to install the full app, NordVPN also has browser extensions for Chrome, Firefox, and Edge. These work more like a proxy, so they only encrypt browser traffic, but they're great for quick protection while you're browsing or streaming. Final pro tip: if you set NordVPN up on your router, it covers everything connected to your Wi-Fi, even devices that don't support VPN apps, like smart TVs and game consoles. Bottom line, once it's installed, NordVPN is basically one-click privacy protection, and with no speed limits, 10 device support, and built-in ad blocking, it's kind of a no-brainer if you're serious about privacy. So I've got that 74% off deal plus 3 free months linked below, or you can again just scan the QR code on screen.